How to brighten your eyes in the Meitu app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see an option called Photos. Simply tap on it and select the photo that you would like to brighten your eyes in. After choosing the photo, many options will pop up on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the Beautify option on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, scroll left until you see an option called Eyes, which is right next to Head. Then tap on it. After tapping on it, you'll see an option called Brighten. Then after tapping on it, your eyes will be brightened, and it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.